the conduct of national simultaneous earthquake drill for the first quarter of this year. And this has been approved by the chairman of SDRRMC, which is Roberto V. Garcia, the chairman and administrator of Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. He's also the chairman of SDRRMC for the information of everybody. And tomorrow, we will be having the first quarter earthquake drill in which SPEDG and the Regional Science High School will be the pilot area. The tasking of SDRRMC member agency and auxiliary group will be present there, and we will be going to obtain reports and updates them regarding the recently concluded earthquake and tsunami management seminar.
Okay.
All of this will start at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. And other task elements and operation members will be at the command post of the said location, which is the Regional Science High School and the SPEDG. And likewise, we will be going to have an evacuation plan for the occupants of the two buildings for them to reach the area of temporary refuge, or the ATR. And prior on this, a briefing was held this morning at the audiovisual room of the SPEDG school. And I would like to also make an additional announcement that last Monday, February 27, our training team held an earthquake management seminar for NIDEC Subic Philippines Corporation.
That's for NIDEC.
With almost more than 40 participants attended the said training seminar.
Okay, we may do a little recap. Tomorrow, there will be an earthquake drill, earthquake and tsunami preparedness drill, so to speak.
Yes, sir.
And saan po uli gaganapin? Sino po yung mga...
This will be at the SPEDG and Regional Science High School.
Regional Science High School.
As our SDRRMC pilot area.
When you say SDRRC, what do you mean by that?
SBMA, Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Committee.
There you go. Okay.
Our executive officer on this is Police General Orlando M. Madela, and Major Vicente J. Tolentino is the SDRRMC officer.
Okay, so this information goes out to all the, the Freeport community,
yes,
to be aware of this ongoing drill, of course,
yes,
for safety first, always, diba? You know what they say, prevention is far better than cure. So if we can prevent, of course, disaster, we can never prevent disasters, but then again, if we can be prepared for it, it'll be far better. It will definitely save lives.
Yes, sir.
That's the reason why. Okay.
And also, the fire department, the public health and safety department, with the participation also of law enforcement department and other interoperating agencies, will be there at the command post to oversee what will transpire during the drill.
Okay. So, aside from tomorrow, meron pa po bang mga ibang days that you're gonna be doing this drill with some other respondents as well?
I think fire drill has been set up, but it's still to be announced in the later part of this of the coming month.
Okay, so we'll be expecting your calls again, sir, right? And aside from that, if you can give us information like in paper so that we can frequently announce it every now and then.
We're happy to do that, sir.
Thank you. Looking forward.
Have a good day, sir.
And have a great day for you too. To you too. That's Mr. Chris Vanta, the SBRR trainer and Law Enforcement Academy training instructor. And what you heard is that we're going to be having tomorrow, of course, Freeport community, one at a time. First, meron silang mga areas na isa na ron, of course, yung the school, of course, inside the Subic Bay Freeport Zone, the Regional Science High School, and another building, of course, that they're going to be doing some earthquake drill and tsunami drill prevention. Okay, so all you need to do, of course, is to be informed. Information is definitely power. In as much as possible, if you can gather all the information in order for you to be far safer, it will be, of course, far better. Like what I said already, prevention is better than cure. So for those who'd like to be part also of this ongoing event, You may also get in touch, of course, with our fire department and law enforcement departments of Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority and the SBRR. Okay. Okay, so we'll give you more information as soon as it unfolds. For now, let's continue with the music play. This is the Bay All Hits, hot and new 2011 and 2012 songs with a touch of 2010 with your FM radio jock Double B. Now I gotta hear a great new 2012 hit from Lady Gaga. The title of this great new song, Take You Out.
89.5.
This just in. Digital high definition music starts now.
89.5.